Imagine a planet so dark that it absorbs 99% of the light that hits it.
A world blacker than coal, blacker than acrylic paint, and even blacker than your ex's heart.
Welcome to TrES-2b, the ultimate goth planet of the universe! Wait, why are you still lurking?
If you haven't subscribed yet, I'm telling the simulation creator to replace your bed with a bed of cacti. Are you waiting for a candlelight dinner invitation? Hit that button now.
And if you aren't afraid of the dark, comment Goth Monster below right now.
If you stay silent, I'll assume you're just a space chicken who sleeps with the lights on. Done? Good. Let's go into the void. Look at the shadow.
TrES-2b is a giant gas planet located 750 light-years away. It reflects less than 1% of the light from its star. It's basically a giant, floating black hole without the cool gravitational pull. Scientists are baffled. They think it's because the atmosphere is filled with vaporized sodium and potassium that just eats up light for breakfast. It's like the planet decided to wear a permanent invisibility cloak but forgot that we have infrared telescopes. Nice try, you cosmic introvert. But here is where it gets terrifying.
Even though it's pitch black, it's not cold. The temperature is over 900 degrees Celsius.
Because it's so hot, it emits a faint, demonic red glow. Imagine a world of pure darkness with glowing red veins of heat everywhere.
It's not a planet, it's a literal waiting room for hell. Most science channels call it a hot Jupiter, but I'm telling you it's a simulation error where the creator forgot to apply the brightness settings.
Why would you ever want to visit this place? You can't see anything, you'd be roasted alive. And the atmosphere would probably choke you before you could even say who turned out the lights.
Is it a natural wonder, or did the universe just run out of ink when drawing this part? It's a magnificent, dark, and absolutely useless rock. It's the kind of place where even light feels depressed.
Absatzfans from the darkness! Still you, coward! If you haven't commented Goth Monster yet, what's wrong? Are you scared the darkness will jump out?
Prove to me you have a spine! Tell me, if you were trapped here for 5 minutes with a flashlight that has 1% battery, would you survive? Or would you just give up and cry?
TrES-2b proves that the universe has a dark side, literally.
Subscribe to Planet Snaps right now before the Goth Planet decides to absorb your Wi-Fi signal. Stay curious, stay savage, and stop being a lurker. I'll see you in the next breakdown. Peace out.
Check out our other videos on the screen now. Don't let the void win.